Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant forest, a community of animals lived harmoniously. They were not just neighbors but friends, always ready to lend a helping paw or wing whenever another creature was in need. Their willingness to support one another created a beautiful tapestry of compassion and cooperation. In this forest, there was a wise old owl named Oliver. Oliver was known for his vast knowledge and keen sense of direction. Whenever an animal was lost or disoriented, they would seek out Oliver's guidance. With his vast wingspan, Oliver would take to the sky, leading the lost animals back to safety. One day, deep in the heart of the forest, a sudden storm caused a mighty oak tree to fall. It created a barrier across the river, making it difficult for the fish to swim upstream during their annual migration. Sensing the distress of their aquatic friends, a group of beavers sprang into action. With their sharp teeth and strong bodies, they diligently gnawed away at the fallen tree, creating a pathway for the fish to continue their journey. In another part of the forest, a young fox named Felix found himself in a perilous situation. He had unwittingly wandered into a patch of quicksand and was slowly sinking. Hearing Felix's desperate cries, a nearby deer rushed to his aid. With its powerful hooves, the deer extended a helping hoof to Felix, pulling him to safety and saving him from a sticky fate. On yet another occasion, a rabbit named Rosie had misplaced her burrow during a snowstorm. Cold and frightened, she huddled beneath a shrub, hoping for a miracle. The forest's resident squirrel, known for its nimble climbing skills, noticed Rosie's plight. Without hesitation, the squirrel scurried up the tallest tree, where it could survey the forest from above. With keen eyes and a sharp memory, the squirrel guided Rosie back to her burrow, ensuring her warmth and safety. In every corner of the forest, acts of kindness and support were woven into the fabric of daily life. Birds shared their nests with weary travelers, snakes slithered quietly to warn others of danger, and butterflies spread their delicate wings, carrying seeds to new places, aiding in the growth and diversity of the forest. One day a lion named Hugo came into the forest and started lobbying. His thoughts were negative, he wanted to be a most powerful in that area. For this he made many brutal attacks on other animals. He also gathered some animals on his side. In fact, the forest community divided into two sections. The peace and harmony of forest were distorted. Selfishness prevailed, and everyone was reluctant to lend a helping hand. In that scenario, another episode of terror was occur. A group of hunters came into forest for hunting. They were also planning to exploit the resources of forest. They want timber and land. Understanding the situation, a wise bear Robert invited all the forest community at a big grassy field surrounded by dense trees and herbs. All were decided to deport Hugo and pledged to be harmonious after that. Another kind-hearted lion, Simba, was made the king through mutual plebiscite. After assuming the charge, Simba planned a decisive strategy against hunters. Monkeys were assigned the task to capture all the arms in the darkness of night. They did it efficiently. Other animals like bear, snake, jackal, owls, and tigers were asked to frighten them. All the hunter remained horrified all the night. In early morning all the hunters ran away and never come back again. After that animals realized their mistake and accorded with each other never to be negative and selfish in the future. They understood the myth that they would be happy if they remained united and always there for help and cooperation. As time passed, the forest thrived not just because of its rich resources but because of the interdependence and willingness of its inhabitants to help one another. Each animal understood that by extending a helping hand, paw, or wing, they were contributing to the collective strength and resilience of their community. And so, the animals of the forest lived in harmony, forever connected through their acts of assistance. Their bond served as a reminder that when we embrace kindness and support one another, we create a world where every creature can thrive. The end. May the spirit of cooperation and compassion guide us in our interactions, reminding us of the beauty that unfolds when we lend a helping hand to those in need.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Thank you.